Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the step 2 process of my wash day routine, and I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of this process and why you should actually be doing this process. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also like this video and share with your family, your friends, those who you feel might benefit from this. And thank you so much for doing that. So this is called the Prepoo process. Prepoo is just an abbreviation for the word pre-shampoo. So it is a very important step that is required before you shampoo your hair. Shampoo strips your hair of oils and moisture. This step is supposed to give your hair some form of protection from that shampoo process, so that after shampooing your hair can still feel soft and shiny. So this is my second step in my wash day routine. Like I've said, if you have not seen the first step in my wash day routine, I'm going to leave the link in the description box or in the icons above on your screen. Then you can click on it and it will take you right to the first step that I did before this step you're watching right now. While some aren't familiar with this process, I've come to love Prepoo so much that it has benefited my hair in so many ways. The benefits of this is going to add extra moisture, and it also makes it easy for you to detangle your hair. So at this point, if you haven't detangled your hair, you can do so. So how do you do this? Just like as you can see, just applying my oil. So there are two things you can use. You can either use some natural oils, or you can use a rinse out conditioner. So I like to use the oils. What I just do is just to apply these oils to each section of my hair. So first of all, you want to section your hair, then apply the oil to each section. So I'm using my tea rinse to kind of damp my hair a little bit, just to give it some form of flexibility. And then I apply my oil, and also I twist each section back up. I find that the longer I leave this oil in my hair, the softer and shinier my hair is. So it depends on what you want, your schedule and all. You can leave it for a minimum of an hour to get the nutrients of those oils into your hair. I leave mine overnight, so that's what I do. I prepare my hair overnight, and the next day I just rinse out and shampoo my hair. You can use coconut oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, or like I said, you can use a rinse out conditioner. There is no hard or fast rule to this. Just do what works for you and what you feel that will benefit your hair the most. So whether you're using oils or conditioner to prepare, the most important thing is what benefits your hair the most. So you can see the results after applying it, and you can tell if using a rinse out conditioner or oils are best for you. I just do this, and I'm going to repeat the same process to the other section of my hair, and then I'll cover up with a plastic cap. So if you're doing for a minimum of 1 hour, you can use a steam cap, but I do overnight, and it has always turned out good for me. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button, like this video, share with those you feel can benefit from it. Also, don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know what you do for your Prepoo, how do you do your Prepoo, and how long you keep your Prepoo in, and I'll be in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.